Well, hello YouTube, welcome to today's video. Kind of a simple topic today. I got asked about this by either a comment on a video or on Instagram or something. Someone said to me, make a video about a Japanese gas station. So that is what I'm going to do, because you would think gas station, doesn't matter where you are in the world. You're in an English speaking country, you're in Saudi Arabia, you're in India, whatever, wherever you are, how hard can it be? You just pick up a pump, put gas in your bike, and that's it, finished, right?
Right? Wrong.
So nothing is easy. This country doesn't make life easy for you in any way, shape or form. In fact, I think they deliberately make it difficult. Everything. So I'm going to take you along with me to the local Enios gasoline stand, or gasoline stando as it's called in Japanese, and I'll show you what you have to do to put gas in your bike. First, what you have to do is wait an inordinate amount of red lights before you can even arrive at the petrol station, which is less than a mile from your house. Are you fucking shitting me? Another fucking red light.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Anyway, there is the pricing for the gas. So regular gas, which is just the normal shit you put in any old car, 127 yen a litre, and high oku, which is high octane, that's 138 yen a litre, and the last one is keiyu, which is diesel, which is 108 yen a litre. So yeah, diesel is fucking cheap in this country compared to other countries where diesel is usually more expensive than gasoline. So anyway, let's get on and have a look. First I need to break this. Oh shit. Oh shit. Houston, we have a problem. The GoPro mount. Oh no. I forgot I put a GoPro mount on here the other day. This might do it. Success. Fucking GoPro mounts. Right, shall we get on with the video? First, step one is open your fuel tap. Your fuel cap. Okay. Step two, right. Welcome to Enios. Please touch here. Okay. Right, now look at all these options. Enios card, credit member, any key, T-cardo, that's something Denshi money, that's another Nanako card, and that one is cash. And cash. Now, do you have some kind of member's card? Nashi, which means no, I don't. Do you have a barcode or a QR code with a discount coupon? No. Right, then Hayoku, high octane, regular or diesel. So we want Hayoku. Now here we can select Mantan, which means just keep going until, so there's no limit on how much money or litres. Or this one, which I'll choose, 2,000, so you can choose litres, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 litres, or yen, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. My bike's only small, so 2,000 yen will do. Then get your money out and come over here and put it in. Try and put it in one at a time, because if you put two at a time in, it never fucking works. Next one. Okay. And then come back to the screen. Still only says 1,000 because it hasn't counted yet. Come on, come on, 2. Okay, 2,000. So you go. Do you want a receipt? No. Now you have to touch this, then pick up premium and put it in. Okay, cue the sexual 70s porn music. Okay, then put it back. Now it's going to do a game for me, which I don't really want, but it's going to do it anyway. Okay. What? Did I win? Oh, I won. Omedetou. Congratulations, it says. Yeehaw! What did I win? Now, I won something, but what did I win? Oh, 2 yen off my next petrol. So I won a discount basically. Awesome. No one's waiting. So there you have it. That is how to use a Japanese petrol station, or gas station, or gasoline stando, depending where you come from. So yeah, was that easy or not? Obviously I've been here for a long time, so it's easy for me, but if you came here on vacation or something and you had like a rental car and you just decided to go to the gas, put some gas in yourself, it's not that easy, right? You need to know what all that shit means, like all the different cards, and Denchi money is like electric money, or members card, or credit member, or one of those little tags you can get, like a prepaid tag. There's so many fucking options. So yeah, it's a bit of a minefield. So if any of you guys coming over to Japan for your vacation, that is how you fill up a petrol in Japan. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's go and race that Porsche. Green.